Hey, thanks for watching my video. Today we are replacing the oil pressure sensor on a Nissan Frontier. This is going to be about the same for any 4.0 liter Nissan engines. This particular truck is a 2005 Frontier LE Crew with 210,000 miles. As you see, the oil pressure sensor is right above the steering rack on the lower right side of the engine, and all we're going to do is unclip the connector to the wiring harness. Once you can pinch it tight enough, squeeze it tight enough to pull it off, then you can access it. You could probably do this with a crescent wrench, but I like using the right tool for the job. So this is a 24 millimeter deep well socket, and it fits on it just perfectly. And the sensor just screws right out of the engine block. Now, my truck, the engine does not have any oil in it whatsoever. So you see minimal oil dropping out right now. It's just a small puddle on my floor. Here's my new one. I did put some RVT on the threads just to help seal it up. I did go with a Nissan OEM oil pressure sensor. The difference is probably about 10 bucks. You can get a generic one for $12. You can get an OEM Nissan for about $22. So you do the math. I personally like Nissan OEM. Then put your sensor in and get the thread started. When it stops turning by hand, then start tightening it down with your wrench. You don't need to manhandle this thing. You just need to screw it in so it stays. You don't have to put 100 foot-pounds of torque on it. You just need to tighten it into your engine block. Again, with the RVT, that'll help seal it into place. So when it stops turning, and you see I turned it so I can actually get to it easier next time. So in the future, I can actually grab that wire harness and push the little pin in and release it from the oil pressure sensor just a little bit better. If I'm lucky, I'll never have to do this again. It'll be the next owner who will have to deal with it. So I'm just wiping off any excess oil that might have dripped down. And then because I don't have any oil in the engine, you see just a little tiny bit came out. Always make sure to wipe up your garage floor. Hey, thanks for watching this. If you found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks.